I asked my husband to order paper towels, and this is what he brings me. It's 24 regular rolls, but there's only 6 of them in here. So this is the Bounty Quicker Picker Upper. We all know that amazing slogan, but you can see it's 4 rolls in one, which is insane to me. I'm gonna show you how big these are. So this was what my old one looked like. So my original paper towel, we are obviously out of this now. It needs to be replaced. So he got me this. You guys, look at this size. This is literally almost the size of my face. There's only 6 in here, but 6 equals 24 supposedly in this package, because they are 4 times the regular rolls. So let's do a little test. Look at that. That compared to that is insane. I don't think we will ever have to buy paper towels again for 2024. Also, it looks like they are in like mini sheets. You can see you can take it off in one, but there also is a perforated edge right down the middle as well. It turns it into 2 pieces. And this is what it looks like on the paper towel holder. As you can see, it fills out basically the entire bottom. It's a lot of paper towel.